Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters, wherever you are, foreign, nearing, yard, greetings. This spot's coming to you again with our little idea and solution talk. And today's topic is police and policing. Very interesting one. And this one we're gonna have a few episodes because me know all of you out there want to hear lots on this. And as me said before, on this attack, yeah, nothing left back. Every area with a touch pan. And we're not afraid to talk about it. We're not hide behind it. Because as we don't know, for me people, not like the truth. And if we not talk the truth, we're not going to move forward. And the truth we have to talk about, and that is what's going to help us. So as me say, nothing left back, no topic, no area. We dey chat about everything. And that's why we dey deal with the police them. Because we don't left no to no boss. We not left no. So, what me think happen right now is that a lot of police officer not really know job what we do. I don't think we understand. I don't think we even understand the meaning of it. And to be a police is a law enforcement agent. That's what you are. And policing is the function and the activities where you perform. So your job is to maintain the peace. You prevent crime, you ensure community safety. You keep the order. That is your job. And doing so, you do it respectably. You can't get up and be disrespectful. So by saying that now, we have ourselves under a different group of police officers. And really and truly, you have some of you out there right now, really they work on the crime, they do no best. And really mean good for the country. But you have a whole heap of you wanna really care. So you have some of you who are just in the force because you want power. Some of you in there because you want sure say you can make people afraid of you. You have some put on the uniform and don't give a damn about it. No respect for the uniform. You have some put on the uniform and show respect for the country, for the uniform, and show respect to them own self. You have some who barely different than the gunman. You have some who just wear the uniform to collect a pay because that's what it's all about. Not really care about nothing, just no pay. And the one who do it because of the power is to know him have a gun. So I'm thinking bad. And then you have the one them who licky bad. Them the one there. Me not even know what them done police for. When you licky, it's sad. And you have to go change the way you behave. You need for sure respect and you not show no farmer respect. A lot of you not do it. Now you have some good ones, but a whole heap of you have no respect whatsoever. And you have to give respect in order to gain respect. Your job is you train to take care of situation, no make it escalate. Your job is to de-escalate situation. But you just rude, you no have no respect, you no know if you talk to people. You know they call big man and big woman girl and boy. No boss, that can't work. You know have to cut out them there something there. You know have to cut out them there something there. Can't get up they call big woman girl and boy and no man, boss, you have to give respect, forget respect. You dirty girl, dirty boy, you know. No, sir. I mean, you pull somebody over and your approach is awful. It's terrible. You pull somebody over. The driver is a man. You don't know the name, so if it's morning, evening, or whatever, you'll say, good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir. I am just doing my check and, we're stopping everybody and this is what we're doing. May I have your license, please? Want to take a look. That's what you're supposed to do. But no, you pull somebody over. What happened? You want to show me your license? Mr. Officer, no, so ego, you can't behave like that. And over the years, we struggle with that. We struggle with them, the kind of behavior there. Them, there's something they need to wipe out. Because, you know the thing say, the world now see, everybody have a cell phone. And the little nastiness what you do on one side of the road, where you think are just between you and somebody where you pull over seat. And also you go the world seat because somebody take it, put it on Facebook, put it all over social media. And that just show up how we are. And you they represent Jamaica. So the whole of you they represent in that the dirty manner there. You can't do that. You have to get rid of that. And if you go, you're gonna deal with a situation and people crowd around. You talk to people respectfully. You can say, Madam, please move backward, move back. Please, we need to clear the area. That's what you need to do and say. Say, girl, me say if you move fire, so hear me say if you go back round there so. You can't do that. Because if you speak to somebody nicely, they're gonna respond nicely to you. Your tone that you use makes a lot of difference. And you must remember, you deal with Jamaican people. One of the toughest set of people that in the world. And so, when you come back and see the scene, they do your job and behave them the kind of way they. You have to realize that you are Jamaican and somebody where you deal with are the people and where you deal with a Jamaican. The only difference between you and them is just that you have a gun. So if you not talk to them proper, they're not going to respond to you proper, boss. You can't get up there call them girl and boy, dirty girl, dirty boy. You have to show respect. You have to show respect because me don't know where you learn them the same thing there from. So if it's even the training where you get a yard for your parents, you can put that together and use it for show respect. And me sure know say no sudden training in a police school. A lot of you don't know if you talk to people. You can't do that. You simply cannot do that. If you pull over a woman and you're looking at a respectable woman that maybe could be your mother, and you don't just, you go, what? Pull on your window. With your license there. Give me your license. You sure say are you this? And them kind of behavior. You can't do that. You can't do that. I know they do it. That's something I know constantly do. You don't have no respect. Some of you don't even fit the job. You shouldn't have the job at all. You shouldn't have the job. Some of you need weekly training. And the police commissioner must do something about this. Because this they plague Jamaica police force for years. And it no seems so they get better. And all you no do they make we look shame. Like say you no think I just nobody now hear see you no behavior. Listen, for no behavior, you know, are the only police force in the world have that the kind of behavior. Nowhere else not have that. I just uno and for no behavior they make the whole of we look like an idiot. You don't have to cut that out, man. When you pull over somebody, you show respect. You say, good evening, madam, good evening, sir. May I have your license, please? And they will do that nicely. Nicely. They will definitely do that nicely. And they listen to them and to you and you go through and do your stuff and you say, okay, thank you, everything is good, have a good day, and they go. And they're gonna turn around, thanks, officer. But no. When you think you don't say, what, give me your license. But how much I know in the carrier? Them there's something they can't work, boss. Can't work. Only in Jamaica. Only in Jamaica. And me no know, you not approach people in a non-professional way. You not polite. You not disrespectful. And me not say all of you know. But they want them, you know yourself. And the licky one them licky policeman them. You know so, man, you know are the lowest to rat judge. You know are the lowest. You know just, man, you know just make we country. It just, the way you know beggy is sad. You know beggy like a young girl. And this incident happened and me no hear, me know about it. And me go show up uno licky police. Oh no tan. No joke business. That's why I say nothing now left back. Me have some friends live abroad and then come home. And some guys. And then bring 3 other friends with them. And so in all 5 of them. 2 are Jamaican. 3 are not Jamaican. So them come down. Them rent a car. And the pan road they enjoy themselves and all of that. Police pull them over. No problem. And you know, a Jamaican one feel away and you know, no feel anything but he just feel say maybe him get to show off at least to show, you know, how we police look. You know, make them see as Americans say this is how police looking at their uniform and you know this is how them treat the situation. But man oh man, it wasn't good at all. He never good. So I'm say the police guy then pull him over and them come at the car. What boss? Why you no look Chris in your so? That's the way the approach was. No joke, me not lie. That is how it went down. It's not good day, sir. That no, what boss? What? Look, Christina, so I wanted to deal with boss. And that's how he go on. And then continue and him say, what? Give me no license, I have no license, we don't know. And them have license and ID and them sure. And the police officer, when him get it, him say, ratted. The whole I'm not a foreigner, man. No a foreigner. What? Let her have something for me, no man. And the guy said, what you mean? No understand. Him say, what you mean? You don't know what I talk about. Let her have something for me, man. And the other 3 non-Jamaicans, them panic. Them frightened because they don't understand what they go on. Now, you're a police officer and when they do no spot check and you don't stop somebody and they ask to let off something on you. Suppose him pull out him gun and let off a can on your ass. What you do? You can't say nothing because you ask to sit and let off on you. You no have no respect. So the guy say, I don't know what you're talking about. He said, what you mean you don't know what you're talking about? Let off something you don't know what they deal with. Just let off a money for me, man. And the guy them said, them not have no money. How you mean you don't have no money? So how you have rental car and all of them something there? And all of them say, them not have no cash, them just have credit card. The police turn and say, how you could have go do that way? Oh, you mean I just credit card? That no right, boss. Me no like that, you know. No can there they drive rental and no all Chris and no have no money for no. Boss, me no like that, man. No can't do that to it. So me don't get some money. Say I don't know. And him get upset and say just go on. So them drive off, and when them drive off, the guys them they ask, we now understand what happened. Why did he want money? Why? You guys hold them money or something like that? Now tell me if that's not shameful. That is the lowest rate, George. And when me hear that, me shame, me upset. Me couldn't function for the day. It's disgusting. It low, Mr. Commissioner, haul in your boy, them, rein them in. Them too licky. So what happened now is them continue drive down the road and whatever them they do, them spot check, take up whole heap of street and whatever. So them stop, you know, other squaddy stop them down at the other part of the road. By the time they go down there and then pull them over, the squaddy say, boy, me here say, uno no have nothing for let off and me vex about that, you know. So that mean the other police call him to tell him, say, them the man they don't have nothing for let off. So him down there so no have to do for him part and him vex. So that's why him say, you know, uno no have nothing here, so no have nothing and me vex about that. What uno don't do about that? And him say, the said thing we said is the said thing we're gonna say, we have no money. We just have credit card. And the police, me they go say, boy, say, figure out a way how we can set this up for me get some money. Because right now, me no depend nothing. And we money now, we not get enough money. Right, we not get enough money. So figure out how we don't set up this for you take some money and figure it. Let me tell you something. That cannot be more shameful. And as me say, this is how I know because it happened to my friend them. Shameful, low. All that was supposed to happen then should have taken a badge number. And uno police boy know who me the chat. Uno know uno self. Uno low. Uno dirty. And uno they carry down uno country. Only in Jamaica. You're carrying down your country. You deserve to be in prison for that behavior. And that's why I'm calling on the police commissioner for rein on our ass in. Because some of who higher than who they work with for them, so who know out they make money, who no care about go share. And you're on the job, sir. Respect your uniform and respect yourself. Stop being licky. Stop it. And stop carrying the country down. Shameful. Disgusting. You need to be in prison. It hurt my heart. It hurt my soul. Because that day I was at my lowest. My shame bad. And we can't make one behave like that. We don't need for the weekly training. Something needs to be done. We need to show respect. We don't need to pull over people. I want to pull them over to show some form of respect. You address people properly. Sir, madam, miss. That's what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to call nobody boy, gal. Move fire so dirty gal, and we're not supposed to do that. And I'm so angry. I am so angry. We don't handle the country no justice. If you can't manage your job and you don't like it, take off the uniform. Go and go find another work good. If you know they look more money, go and go find another job. Go and go do a part-time job, boss. And matter of fact, maybe you said one have grandpa in a country of land. Go and go farm it so you're that your sidekick and tap beg people money like you know a prostitute. Only prostitute get up go car side the big man money. And that's how you know they show up for yourself. Shameful. Disgusting. So, with all that being said, my spot is gonna take a walk. Wanna go and take care of yourself? Catching up on the next episode. My spot's out.